Hey guys, Susanne here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how I create watercolor flowers in my paintings. Even in my mixed media paintings, the flowers are commonly pure watercolors, because I love them so much that I have to do at least a piece of a painting with them. I painted this beautiful girl on a wonderful 300 GSM hot press paper. She's decorated with roses and a butterfly, which is actually a reddish-colored moth. I loved its creams, reds and blacks, which enhance the overall appearance of the composition. Here is the original reference photo I downloaded from Pixabay. And here is what I created around her in Photoshop. Pre-creating a painting with my graphic software is for me the easiest way to try everything out before applying the first brush stroke with real paint. I'm going to show you the blush pink rose on the right of the girl. As usual with watercolors, I begin with pre-wetting the petals before applying color out of my paint puddle on the mixing surface. Since one flower takes me 2 to 4 hours, I would bore you if I showed you every brush stroke. So I sped up the process and cut down the original film clips to a manageable size to be interesting for you. If necessary, I'll give you voice-over explanations. Have fun and enjoy watching me painting my watercolor flowers. If you haven't yet, please give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay informed if I upload a new video. Here I tried to figure out the suitable orange for this area by painting swatches on an old cut-down watercolor paper strip, which is a good idea if you have already an underlayer on the petal and don't know with which additional color you can achieve the right hue. Oftentimes you see me painting with two brushes, mostly of a similar size. One is filled with color and one with water to blend the applied paint. If I want to blend one color to nothing, there's a small amount of water left in the brush belly. If blending two colors together, I drag the brush over kitchen towel or some soft oil-free Kleenex to not add water to the area, which would weaken the intensity of the mix immediately, plus getting unwanted cauliflower blooms. Yay! Here it is, the first flower of my new girl painting. To unify the finished piece I maybe have to deepen or weaken some colors, but for now I call this rose finished. I hope this was informative for you, and if you like more videos like this or have some questions, please leave a comment beneath the video. Have a nice time, happy painting, bye!